So before we start, you want to know these formulas. I have them on each slide, but if you're doing your Ixl, make sure that you have them out too. So for circumference, that's the distance around the circle. So C equals pi times diameter, or you can do C equals 2 pi r. If you're using a calculator that has pi in it, then you can use that, or else what we're going to say is pi equals 3.14. Now a reminder, the radius is half of the diameter. Diameter is 2 times the radius. So to find the radius, you can do diameter divided by 2. So the radius here of the circle is 7 kilometers. So the radius here is 7. And we need to figure out what the diameter will be. So that's the other part. So radius is half of the diameter. So diameter equals 2 times radius. So D equals 2R. D equals 7. The radius is 7. So the diameter is 14. Now let's try this one. The diameter is 12. And remember, the radius is half of the diameter. So we want to find out what the radius is. We're not sure. So we do the diameter, which is 12, divided by 2 to get 6, which will be our radius. So our radius equals 6. Remember, pi we're saying is 3.14. So to find the circumference, we can either do pi times diameter, or we can do 2 times pi times the radius. Because I have the diameter, I'm going to use C equals pi times diameter. So C equals pi times diameter. C equals pi times 8. And then plug into your calculator 3.14 times 8. And you should get 25.12. For this question, it says the radius of a circle is 3 centimeters. What is the circumference? So because I have the radius, I'm going to use the second formula, which is 2 pi r. So pi 3.14, so C equals 2 times 3.14 times the radius, which is 3. So plug into your calculator 2 times 3.14 times 3. And you should get 18.84. Now last, if you get, towards 70 and above, you might have a question like this. So it gives you the circumference. The circumference is 106.76. What we're trying to find is what the diameter is. So we want to plug in our formula. C equals pi times diameter. We're trying to find the diameter. We already know what their circumference is. So 106.76 equals 3.14 D. So basically what we have right now is a one-step equation. So 3.14 D means 3.14 times D. So we need to do the opposite of multiply to undo and get D by itself. So I divide 3.14 on either side. And what I will get is D equals, I do 106.76 divided by 3.14. And I get that the diameter is 34 meters. And we're done. Yay! Remember to do Ixl for BB19. It's a 4th grade review of radius and diameter. And then also do the 7th grade 7AA new, which is on circumference.